Imagine controlling your lights, temperature, and even your coffee maker all from your phone. Welcome to the world of easy smart tech integrations. Today, we're diving into simple yet powerful smart tech solutions that will not only make your home modern, but also practical, stylish, and effortless to manage. Definition: smart tech integrations mean connecting everyday home devices to Wi-Fi or smart hubs, allowing you to control and automate them using apps, voice assistants, or sensors. Why importance? Because smart technology saves time, reduces energy costs, increases security, and elevates your interior design by blending function with style. It's not just about convenience, it's about future-proofing your home. Step-by-step practical guide. 1. Start with smart lighting. Choose smart bulbs or switches. To move to climate control, install a smart thermostat. 3. Add security. Use smart door locks and cameras. 4. Enhance entertainment. Connect smart speakers and TVs. 5. Create automation routines like lights dimming when you start a movie. Tools explained. You'll need smart bulbs or switches, a reliable Wi-Fi network, a smart hub or app like Alexa, Google Home, or Apple HomeKit, and optional add-ons like smart plugs, cameras, or motion sensors. Workflow. First, set up your hub or app. Next, install devices one at a time and test their connectivity. Then, group devices by room. Finally, program automation routines that fit your lifestyle. Quick tips: always buy devices compatible with your hub. Use voice commands for hands-free convenience. Start small and expand gradually. Name your devices clearly so you don't confuse them in the app. Cost comparison: smart bulbs cost as little as the price of a coffee each, while full systems with thermostats, locks, and security can run into hundreds. The key is starting small and upgrading at your own pace. Designing your home the modern way doesn't need to be complicated or expensive. Begin with one smart upgrade today and watch your space transform into a stylish, connected haven. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you're ready to step into the future of smart living.